Welcome to ATECK. Today we will discuss that how we can copy our Facebook link and share with friends. So first of all, open Facebook profile, then click on the profile and open it. Here you can see three dots in the middle. So click and open it. Here you can see profile setting and different setting options. And in the last you can see your profile link. So this is your personalized link on Facebook. So you can copy this link by simply click on link option and you can share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.